Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I want to do a video walkthrough of Sand Dollars. It's a 2004 390 motor yacht. It's got synthetic floor through, swim platform, Glendenning, cockpit shower, strolling around, coming upstairs. Very easy to get on and off the boat. I'll walk you forward because you've got two acrylic doors here. So access up to the bow for grabbing dock lines, fenders, that kind of stuff is very easy and secure. Got anchor windlass controls here and at the helm. Spinning around, got sat TV, the antennas up there. Boxes and system are not hooked up. Ray Marine radar. Got newer bridge carpet as well. Very nice table. This is the catbird seat in the marina. Sit back here. It's climate controlled. Got heat and AC controls there. Nice TV. Refrigerator in the compartment here. It's back two windows. Need new vinyl put in. The others are in pretty good shape. Here at the helm, got nice touchscreen Garmin display. The boat's equipped with an optional bow thruster, really nice for docking. She has roughly 1,800 hours on her. Ray Marine autopilot. Top here you got a backup chart plotter, Tridata, VHF radio. Back here, nice hard windshield, solid structure all the way around. Aft entertaining area. Seen a lot of people that'll put dock stairs here to get on and off and come in and out the boat with this acrylic door. Stepping down in the cabin, you've got two staterooms, two heads. Here in the salon, got opposing couches, high-low table, so coffee table here, it does raise up. Allow for dinner, and you can seat four around it. Entertainment center. Spin around, check out the galley. Nice solid surface countertops, carpet runners down below. Upholstery's in good shape. Coming down into the galley. Nice cooktop, boat size full fridge. Trying to show you some woodwork. Got wood flooring here. This is access to your day head, so guest, and just using the boat for the day. That's where they're going to use the head. The master has a separate shower and head, so you don't have people coming and using your restroom and the master stateroom. This pulls out and makes another, so you can have two single berths. Got an acrylic shower stall here, vacuum flush head system. Call this the basement. There's a washer dryer down there and good storage. Access to your engines. You got a hatch under this floor. Take a look at the photos there. Coming into the master, your door to close is here. This is your breaker panel. And then stepping into the master, kind of slow up here and give you the walk around. So that's going to be your head. Vanity, get ready, and then your shower is there forward. Come back to this corner. TV, a lot of really good storage. Back behind me, I'll walk to the other side and show you. So you've got storage in that cabinet, storage there, behind those mirrors, behind those doors, and then open this up for you. Here's your master shower, nice ledge, seating, and then there's your master head. Some more storage back there. Natural light through the ports. Here's carpet runner It's not on the boat. It does go with it in this aft area. Kind of give you the walk around again. Now back up to the salon. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you have any question about this Sea Ray, any others, you can reach me on my cell, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. This has been a very popular model. It's a great Sea Ray cruising couple, floating home on the water, and easy to travel in as well with the walk around decks. Perfect little couple boat, or couple cruising with friends or kids, young ones. Give us a call, 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks.